Abe thinks he saw another dead walrus over here by the shore, so we're gonna go investigate real quick. This is what, walrus number 4 in a week?
I believe so, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Four walruses in 1 week. That's unusual, right?
It is unusual, yeah.
That's definitely a walrus. Yeah, I think that's the head over there. That's a walrus tusk right there. It's like hollow down to about there. And this part's all solid. Oh, that's heavy. Feels like that weighs 7-8 pounds. Right there is the lower jaw without the teeth. See where he's missing, his molars have come out. But look how thick that bone is. That is solid. All right, got some vegan ivory. No animals were harmed in the harvesting of this ivory. I think we are ready to get cooking. It's really important that I get the skull boiled and as cleaned up as I can before I bring it home.